Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Optifine in Minecraft. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. As the name indicates, Optifine is a Minecraft optimization mode giving you access to additional settings, features, and makes the game run better on most systems. It is a very resourceful application, especially if you love experimenting with various shaders in your Minecraft game world. To install Optifine for Minecraft, navigate to optifine.net, switch to the Downloads tab, and click on Show All Versions. Although you can install older versions of Optifine, it is always recommended to download the latest version. Click on the download button for the latest Optifine version and you will be redirected to another web page. Here, you will be prompted to click on the download button for the latest Optifine version again. Click it to initiate the file downloading process. After the download is completed, navigate to your downloads folder. Your browser can help you locate the downloaded files. Right-click the Optifine file to open a drop-down menu. Navigate to Open With and proceed to run the file via the Java application. In the pop-up window, click on Install. This will only take a second, and after seeing the Optifine successfully installed message, you can close this window. You can then open the Minecraft launcher and start playing a Minecraft world with the Optifine installation selected. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.